Hello and welcome to the Blender Barbox channel. Today I'll show you how you can create a glass for a window. We can use the default Blender box. So before that I will turn on the hotkeys here so that you can follow. Okay, so select the box and let's resize this along the x-axis. Okay, now this is some kind of reasonable thickness for a glass. So let's go to the rendered view. So before we start, let's adjust some settings. Let's go to the render tab. So I'll show you this method is for Eve render engine, and scroll down and you'll see screen space reflections. Click this box and then select the refraction option, and for the rest we'll leave the default values are there. Now let's go to the material view, and first let's adjust the settings. The blend mode, let's use alpha blend, and make sure you check this, the screen space refraction, and the refraction depth, let's increase this. You can use any values between 0.1 and 1. For now let's start with 0.3. Alright, okay, now let's go to the main parts. So we are using the principled BSDF material, and let's adjust some settings here. So to start with the roughness, let's bring this down to 0, and also for the IOR, let's keep it at 1.45, and the transmission, let's make it maximum, which is 1, and we can leave the alpha value for as 1.1 for now. I think that's enough, and you can see the preview here. So still doesn't look like glass, but you can see it's now transparent. You can see the lines behind it. For better visualization, let's add some environment material. Okay, let's go to the color, environment texture. I want to add some HDRI material. Okay, let's add some surface so we can better see our glass. Okay, all right. Okay, maybe let's add some bugs here, and yeah, let's give it some material. All right, yeah, so now you can see through the glass. Now it's transparent. You can see the environment on the at the back, and the box object at the back also. So this is one way you can create a glass material if you are designing a window or a door or something. So I hope you find this helpful. If you have any questions, let me know in the comment section down below. I will try to help you out as much as I can. And that's it for today. I'll see you next time with another tutorial. Take care.